Hi students, this is Suchadatta and now I start with the 5th chapter of Geography class 8th. And when I talk of industries, you have to understand that it deals with manufacturing. Supposing you take a book in your hand, then the paper out of which the book is made did not come as it is. The wood was extracted, was taken from the trees and then turned into pulp, and then chemicals were added to make it in the shape of a paper. So that manufacturing of things from the raw material to give it its present shape is called as industries, or the place where it is manufactured is called as industries. If you have to give an accurate definition of industries, it should be said that the economic activities which involve the production and extraction and also the provision of giving services is industries. That is merely not just manufacturing. Here they have widened their horizon by saying that even those sectors which are providing services can be categorized as industries. But in a layman's term, you just try and understand that industries is in fact a unit, a place where the raw material is processed and whatever is the requirement of the human beings, it is given that shape. So, I am sure you have understood what industries is. But when we have to classify industries, then the classification depends on 3 types of things. And the first type is of course the raw material. That is the first thing that is required in an industry. So, when we classify the industries on the basis of raw material, then again further they are subdivided into 4 types of industries. The first is the agro-based industries. The agro-based industries are those industries which have agricultural products as their raw material. So, all that honey or grains, pulses, vegetables, all that comes directly from nature or from agriculture is the agro-based industry. An example can be the food processing industries or the leather industry. The second industry is the mineral based industry. The mineral based industry is that industry which has one of the mineral as their basic requirement. That is, the raw material which is used is the mineral. And such a type of industry, if it has to be given an example, then iron and steel industry is the best example. The next industry is the marine based industry. The marine based industry is that industry which has products coming from the sea as their raw material. Now, the example here can be all those manufacturing the fish oil or processing the seafood, that is the fishes, crabs, etc. Then we have the forest based industries. Forest based industries are those industries which have forest products as their raw material. And the example here can be the paper industry and the furniture industry.